Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of TETRA Technologies. Now there are a couple of things which is important before you consider this stock as an interesting one. So what we have here, the first thing is the stock is in a downtrending move. So a correction that's been going on over here. So we have to wait and find out better buying opportunities. Second thing is the way the stock has moved up from the lows of 2020 towards its high and made 2000% fund worth of move. So any correction by more than 50, 40, 50 or 60% looking at the kind of profile the stock has is not abnormal. It is completely normal and it will happen at the course of the time. Now you will find, as I told you, will find better opportunities to look as a probable buying level if you are interested in this kind of stock. And if you are not comfortable with volatility, that's also an issue, because if this is the case, you better choose your stock very wisely, right? Now having said that, the very important thing to understand here, the stock is now sustaining after a very big move, and it has technically entered into its previous level. So 1.98, 1.99 and 1.36, these are your big support level. Stock falls below these two levels in the year 2019 and 20 and actually becomes a resistance. But with the big move that has happened, now the stock is sustaining above both these levels, which means the old trend is active, and if it holds or respect these two levels, we will have an uptrend which is intact as far as the long term trend is concerned. Now, as I told you, the stock is in correction mode, so the better buying opportunities you will find near to its support level, and you have two important support level, which is 1.99 as your immediate support and 1.36 as your stop loss, or near or in between 1.3 and 1.36. So I mean, you need not to be very much specific, because couple of cents here and there or a dollar here, I mean, here couple of cents here or there won't make any difference, right? So if you want, I'll give you a range in between 1.28 and 1.36. So consider this as your better buying opportunities. Else this is a stop loss below which one should not go. Now if the stock sustains above both these levels, if the stock sustains above both these levels, as I told you, the uptrend is intact. So the first or the primary range we have here, above both this level is in between 4.99 and 6.77. So this is the primary range what we have here on the upside. Now beyond 6.77, if the stock started sustaining above 6.77, levels will open up for you, and beyond 6.77 the first target that you're gonna look at is 9.53. Beyond 9.53 you have another level which is in between 13.5 and you have $16, and beyond $16 you have the upper end of the range, which is in between 24.8 and $30. So everything, if the stock is sustaining above 1.99 or in between this range 1.36 or 1.99, the big trend is still intact over a period of upcoming months and years. What we need to do, we need to hold with the trend, right? That's it. But we have to look, as I told you, you have to place yourself at a better position. You need not to enter at any position until and unless you are very sure of that particular thing or for that particular trend. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.